guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's episode we're going to be making these cute spooky nails. This nail set is actually for myself. I wanted to go ahead and start on my Halloween nails, and I just had this vision that was just locked in my brain. I had reposted or repurposed some old content of mine my first time doing these types of ghosts, and I was like, I want to do this for myself. And then it's like I just got the color in my head and I just couldn't get it out. I saw the whole vision and I was like, okay, you got to do it. So I came home, I sat down, and I just started creating. So right here I'm doing about 2 coats of base gel. As you know, the more color that you put on your nails, the more gel you put on your nails, the sturdier they will be. So if you prefer 3 coats, that's fine. If you prefer 2, that's even better. And don't forget to wipe your sidewalls so that they don't be bumpy. Now we're going in with the Rajsm in color 271, which, if I'm not mistaken, it's Apricot Nude on Amazon. I also have an Amazon storefront, you guys. If you guys ever want to go on there and look at some of the things that I use and I purchase, I do receive a small commission from it. But if anything, I just want to help you guys out, help you find good products. And you guys can suggest me some good products if you have some as well. And right here, I'm just going to let you guys watch this, and then I'll be back. These 2 nails are going to be French tip, so that's why I am mixing colors to find that perfect base color. So I'm going in with 359 from Rajsm as well, and it's like a cute little pink color. Like, I can't explain it. It's so cute. Like, as you see, it's kind of like a bubblegum pink, but it's sheer at the same time. So you can kind of see the look is given right now, because I kind of want that acrylic look for my base, since they're going to be French tips on these 2. So right here, I was confusing myself because I was like, did you do too many coats? So I took that off, and now I'm doing 764 in Rajsm as well. And this is just another nude pink base. It's very sheer, so it's not gonna change the color too much. It's just going to give it a cute little tint. And don't ever be afraid to mix your nude gels or any kind of gels polish for that reason, because I've come up with some cute base colors just by mixing colors. So here you're going to see me mixing this Canni gel polish. This is my second time using it. I used Canni polish for a green marble nail tutorial that I did on one of my shorts, and I just like the consistency of it. I like the brush. I like the way that they manufactured the brush, because it's not like a regular gel polish brush. I don't know, it's the way it's cut, it just evenly spreads the gel out, and that's why I used it to apply it to my nails, because I really fuck with it. I don't know if I could say that, oh my gosh. But this is the white from Melody Susie, and I think this is in the color Snow White. I will leave all of these in the description below, so you can go and get you some, or at least see what they look like, and purchase you some. And as you see, I'm mixing it up very well. I switched over to a brush instead of the dotting tool, because I really wanted it to be mixed in super good, because when I put the matte coat on it, I want it to look like an acrylic matte set. Like, that's the look that I have, and I gotta achieve it. So you see me dropping just a little bit more of this pink color in, just to brighten it up just a little bit, because it was a little too dark for my liking, and I felt like this gave it the perfect hue and the perfect color that I'm trying to go for. And as you know, these other 3 nails are going to be solid color nails. Guys, I'm so sorry. I just realized this little crusty spot right here over in the corner. Yeah, that's where acetone spilled on my table. And I also had a bottle sitting right there, and it literally like ate away at it. So that's what you see right there. I hope it's not too much of a distraction. When I get the funds to provide myself with a new nail table, I definitely will. But so far, she has been rocking with me since I first started practicing nails. It comes with the built-in dust collector. So it's my baby. She's portable, so I can break her down. But I know I need more space. I know I need more space, especially now, because I have learned so much over the years. I know I need a better table, but in due time, until then, we got her. But I will try to see if I can record on the other side, on my right side, because this would be technically my left side. So I might try to record on my left side. It's just how I have like a overhead phone holder that comes with the light. It's like a clamp that clamps onto my table, and it's adjustable. It's really, really dope. I like it. I was looking for something for me to be able to do content better than having a tripod, and I really like it. And it comes with the light, and it has 3 different modes on it. But I do apologize for the little crusty spot, and thank you guys if you're still watching. I appreciate it. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you like my content. I would greatly appreciate it. And to perfect my French tips, I'm using Nail Slay by Val's French Slayer nail brush that she just recently launched. If you didn't watch my video that I posted before this one that I uploaded, it is the unboxing of this nail brush. So you gotta go check it out because we had some technical difficulties with that brush. So go watch that video after you watch this one and let me know what y'all think. So here we have the brush. It's so nice in the hands. As you see, I'm changing the light modes on my light. I turn this light on so I can really, really see what I'm doing because it's very bright. And I turned it down a couple notches and you see how bright it still is. This nail brush is the truth. It is the French Slayer brush. You're going to slay a French each and every time you use this brush. It is perfected to be ultra thin. It's so smooth. It doesn't leave streaks. What else can I say about it? It glides across the nail with the smile line like butter. It's just so crazy, especially when you've been customizing nail brushes for so long. And just to take a nail brush out of the pack, open the top, and you can just get to it without customizing it. Yes, Val, you cracked the code on this one. If you guys need this brush, you want this brush, go to nailslaybyval.com, nailslaybyvalshop.com. I will leave it in the description box below. You got to get this brush. It's helping us all slay a French. I'm not lying. Like, yes, I'm confident to do more French tips now that I have this brush. Over a year and a half waiting and testing, she did it. No more cutting bristles and customizing. It just comes straight out of the package working. And that's what we want as nail content creators, nail artists, nail techs. We don't want to spend time customizing. It should already come that way, especially when you spend your money. And it's affordable, guys. It's affordable. I bought 4 for the price of $40. So that just gives you an idea. I bought 4. Okay, putting y'all on. So guys, I'm sorry, my phone had actually died, but what I did was I got me a flat brush, a small one, as you can tell. And first I put down some blooming gel. I'm using Melody Susie's blooming gel. I love it. I have no complaints. Put your thin coat down. I like to do one ghost at a time because the blooming gel kind of spreads quickly. So I flash cure the ghost as I do them so I can put multiple on the nail. You're not putting it in the nail lamp unless that's all you have. But if you do have a flash lamp, you can flash cure it real quick and continue to go on with the nail set so it doesn't bloom too much. And you want to get you some black gel polish, and now you're going to make the funny faces for the ghost. And I want y'all to get creative when you do this, because this part right here, you don't have to think too much, especially if you're a beginner and you're trying to get into the Halloween nail art. That's how I got into this. Nail Slay by Val did a tutorial and I tried it myself, and I love these little ghosts. I do them every Halloween when I can. I didn't do any last year because I was going through some stuff, but this year I was like, yes, I got to. And that's why I think it was just like the vision was just in my head of the nail set I want to create. If this is too many ghosts for you guys, you can do 2 ghosts per nail. You can do 1 ghost. It's just up to you. You see how I did some going upside down? Just do them differently. Try to get creative. Think of like just how funny ghosts look, especially like on TV and stuff like that, kind of animated. Just have fun with it. That's the best thing that you can do, because the more you have fun with it, the more the ghost comes alive. Y'all see, I tried my very best to stay in frame for you guys. I've been working on that. I thought about putting down a piece of tape or something to help me stay in line. I hope I stayed in view for you guys. Y'all see how cute that looks? Now imagine it with this matte top coat. It's gonna look so cute. And I have to get some more of this Modelones matte top coat. Oh my gosh, like I knew I had another matte top coat, but I couldn't find it for my last set. And I was determined with this set, because I was like, some matte polish doesn't look dry. I need it dried out. I don't want it still looking like it has shine to it. I want it matted complete out. And if you guys have some good other matte top coat brands that you guys like, leave them down in the comments for me so I can try them out. Because so far, Modelones matte top coat has not disappointed me at all. And you will see once I bring it back. Don't forget to wipe your sidewalls. You do not want your nails bumpy. You don't want to do a bunch of filing at the end. So this is what it looks like if it was kind of glossy. And I didn't want it glossy. I wanted it totally matted out, because I felt like it would bring the ghost out more if it was matte. Y'all tell me what y'all think. I honestly think that if it stayed with the glossy top coat, it's cute, but I don't know. The matte really does make a huge difference in it. So that's why I was like, let me know down in the comments, y'all, if y'all feel the same way I feel. Because looking at it like this, I'm like, oh, it's cute. But looking at it like this, it's totally different. Like, look how cute that looks. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.